If you're a nail biter or if you don't have a long nail bed or if the nail is really short, this is also a great tip. The glue we're going to be using to apply these tips is called the Radiant Finish, and it's a medium viscosity glue, so it's great to fill tips that have an important well, because tips and the nail bed and the nail plate, they're not an exact match. So therefore, you want to be using a glue that has a thicker viscosity in order to fill the gaps that might be there from the nail bed not being the same. As the tip. All right, so here we go. So what you want to do is you want to hold this for 10 seconds. All right, so we're going to cut this tip. And using the 100-100 file, we're going to shape it. Right, and we're going to file the surface. And as we reach the natural nail, we're going to switch to a 180 grid just to make sure that we don't damage the natural nail. So we want to make sure it's well blended, and what we're looking for is to see if we can see any difference. Or is this looking like one nail or two pieces stuck together? And we can see the clarity and the transparency. So we can see that this nail is ready to go.